Bracket B, last ticket for semifinals. Whose team will enter into the semifinal matchup? Let's find out. Only here at EMA Sports Fest 2025, Pita. Tip off between Castillo. Santa, number 8, alas by Castillo. Santa to the Chavez, kick out to Uri, short check, it's good. Dalawang puntos agad para kay Uri. Josh Garvey, pass to the play, nasa unahan Castillo, fake, reverse, it's good. Ganda naman nun. Ay pinito si Castillo. Tabla tayo sa dos. Magandang laban para sa mabibigat na kabunan. Battle of the Titans. Inunulo tatlong depensa nito. Ito, hawak ni Bohato number 3. Josh Gary. Slicing the lead. Portia and out of bounds. 14 seconds to shoot. Galing sa 3. Sa gilid. Nice cut by number 19. Signaling and play. Oh, intercepted by number 19. Castillo in a letter. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Castillo kick out. Number 19, Fajardo, short. Kick out again to Paul. Fires. No good. Velasco, back to the Chavez. Atake, sa gitna. Kaya may sabit ko sa gitna pa rin. Garcia sa ilalim. Bigay kay number 19, back to Garcia. Number 14, tumambing. Short. Nagulat si De Chavez doon. Velasco, De Chavez. Ayan! Atay! Kasama pang foul. Last final. De Chavez completed the 3-point play, 21-9. Tumambing to Paul. Umingi si Fajardo, number 19. Lahir, tuloy na number 7. Velasco. May sakit doon. Tumambing. Using the beat. Uri. Oh, ano yun? Tumambing. Nice pass to Paul. Castillo. And on the first period.
Second quarter.
The general. Josh kick out pass to Tumambing. Waiting for Josh again. 12 seconds to shoot. Short. 40-34. Josh Tres. Indes. And by foul. Si Rich Gary. Number 5. Humihingi sa ilalim. Dichakan. Barangay pinagtugulang basketball. Sedi. Talagang. Sedi again. May tangan ng bola. Blanca. 51 seconds. Wadelis. Fires on 3. No. Hans Garcia. Number 14. Tumambing. Hans sa 3. Garcia. 2 points. 32-34. Umaanagwa barangay sa Pagita. Santa ngayon. Kapikulit. Waiting for Steve Santa. 48 seconds, time remaining. Safety. 12 to shoot. Seri on 3. Oh. Bakit po rebound? Pass replay. Oh. No money. Turnover. 29 seconds left for the second period. Jose will get the W. 15 to shoot. Ben Chavez. Ben Chavez pinagdalawahan. Foul yun. Hitting. Penalty. 6 seconds. 6 to shoot. Ben Chavez. Put back. Yes! For 2 points. And on the second period.
Third quarter.
7 to shoot. Basket yan para kay Sedi. Enter into the semi spot. Uri. Makasain sa gitna. Wala. Putba! Sayang yun. Pero foul si number 7. Kaya may shooting too. Sayang. 0-2. Ohano, back to Castillo, fires on 3, no! Long J, yes sir! 12 seconds to shoot, ball Castillo, post play. Castillo, pull up, goal. Orlando. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock. Ben Chavez, Santa. 10 seconds to shoot. Uri, putba. Ay, leader talaga yun. Tabla tayo. Andres, fitness yan. Hey, Uri. Uri. Yes. And the 3-point line, Uri.
Pass to the Chavez, 14 to shoot. 1 second shot of Maksai. 10 to shoot.
Tumambing. Paul to Hans Garcia. Back to Tumambing. 15 to shoot. Bahando. Pump and connects. Pagyanan ang tiwalay doon sa 15 seconds. Lion. Fires on 3. No good. Si Hans nasa unahan na. Hans! Pork and beans! 2 points yan para kay Hans. 13. Uy, ganda ng pasa na yun. Seconds left. Paul Castillo, pull up. No good. Manal po rebound. Sedi. Tulayo. Shot clock is off 17 seconds. And may foul tayo. Foul. Sedi. 9. 5 to shoot. No good. Mahanap kayo. Sobo. Ang
Quarter, fourth quarter. Do or die.
Paul Castillo.
Sino papasok sa finals?
Hans Garcia sa 3.